Talofalava, Olo Uingo, Toby Watu Kamitawa. Hi, my name is Toby Watu Kamitawa.
Malolele, kohaku ingoa ka Telisa ngalaka. Hi, my name is Telisa ngalaka.
And
Hi,
welcome to the House of Poseidon.
Poseidon.
And this is Camp Half-Blood over here. Hi, so I am Grover, and this is my mate, Percy Jackson.
We have a mission.
What mission?
You don't know?
What are you talking about?
The mission we have to go return Jesus' lightning bolt?
Ah, that mission. I wonder who stole it.
Maybe it was Viking and the cemetery team.
Weren't you in this team?
Nah, I quit. I came to Camp Half-Blood.
Or maybe it was Gardenia and her music team.
Nah, they were partying all night.
Or maybe it was Lita and Catalina.
For the rubbish team. Nah, they might be cooking up rubbish.
Yeah.
Maybe it was room 3.
Did you hear that they're doing a virtual assembly based on Steam?
Yeah.
Well, what's Steam?
It's when you create things and like you put commands, codes, and they usually just use Scratch and Tinker.
Then what does STEM stand for?
Science, technology, engineering, arts, and mathematics. There's also another word.
What?
It's called STEM.
What's that?
Science, technology, engineering, and mathematics.
Well, thank you for watching. Smash that like button. Bye.